Hey, what's up, guys? It's Greg from Masterson's Car Care. We're here at the Masterson's Car Care store on a crazy Saturday. My buddy Michael, who runs the biggest 6th Gen Camaro Facebook group and has a cool Camaro. We'll post a picture right here. Check it out. Has the coolest Camaro with the coolest color wheels, man. He invited all of his Camaro friends down to the Masterson's Car Care factory store for Camaros and coffee. So we got coffee, we got donuts, we got 20% off. The whole store is filled with people. There's so many people outside. Let's go ahead and see what kind of stuff he has going on and all the cool stuff that's going on outside. I mean, it's been a long time since we had a car show here, so thanks a lot for checking out the vlog. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to click that subscribe button. Check out all the other videos we have right here on our Masterson's Car Care YouTube channel. So let's go check out all the other cool stuff that they got going outside, and let's check out the prizes as well. So check out all of the stuff that my buddy Michael brought down to this event. Let's just go ahead and show you guys some of it. First of all, we got over here Torco hats. There's a bunch of these hats. Torco stickers. Wow, look, a whole sticker pack. Check this out. What is this? Some t-shirts, more Torco stuff. What do we got over here? License plate frames. We got some hats over here, more hats, t-shirts, track armor, tape to protect your car when it goes to track, packs of Torco oil. This is, I believe, 5W30 oil. Let's see. 5W30, yeah, 5W30, and then flip-flops, and then look, we got a whole like roll bar set. What's up, Zelda? Yeah, there we go. We got roll bar set, so they're gonna give away all that stuff a little bit later today with the raffle. I'm very excited for that one. Dude, check this out, guys. Whole parking lot's filled with Camaros, so crazy. Let's check out, this is my buddy Michael's Camaro. This thing is super cool. Let's get down low so you guys can see that. It's on a really cool set of custom flow form wheels, right? And check out those CTSV Cadillac brake setup, super cool. Beautiful car, guys. Let's go ahead and walk around and show you guys all the other cars we got. So many cool Camaros here. What's up, guys? How you guys doing? Look at that. That thing has LS.
Go back in time and witness levels being made in the studio by Avicii. Wow. The only way we can go back in time is with this track. It's called 90.
Check out this one we got here. Supercharged. Pretty cool with Edelbrock supercharger. So much cool stuff here. So look what we just found right here in the back of Masterson's Car Care. This is a 2020 Corvette. We got the owner here. We'll ask us some questions. This thing just looks raw. First time I've actually seen one in person where it wasn't like at a dealership or a car show where it's actually been open. Look at that, 2020 Corvette. This is the future right here. This is the future. We're in 2020 where Chevrolet still has push rods. This is pretty cool. So what's the specs on this, man? Give us, what's the package on this? There's so many options on the Vet.
It's an LS2 engine.
LS2?
495 horsepower.
Uh-huh. What about the packaging? Is this like the Z50, Z51 packaging, right?
With a high wing spoiler.
With a high wing spoiler. This is a high wing spoiler option.
Comes with the magnetic ride.
And the magnetic rides. That's what that little like wire right there is for, right? Magnetic ride. An engine, a motor.
The engine enhancement package.
Okay.
And it's LED lights.
Okay, because those LED lights right there, those are part of the engine enhancement package right there. Pretty cool. Okay.
Carbon fiber accents included in that engine.
Carbon fiber accents. Let's check out the carbon fiber accents.
The
That's actually really nice. It makes it look like
so
a Ferrari.
When you open the car with the key,
Uh-huh.
you can control how long these lights stay on. 30 seconds, 60 seconds, or 2
Okay.
minutes, right?
Okay.
Because you want people to see your engine.
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
So after you leave the car, you want it to stay on. For
Yeah, you want the 8-year-old kids to be like, wow, and I like how
engine all lit up in there.
I know engine all there. I like how the top just fits right in there. That's pretty cool. So yeah, bring it to the front, and I know a lot of people probably want to check this out, so it's pretty cool.
Mirror. It's a rear view mirror,
But it's also that camera.
and it's also a camera.
That's
So you
also
get
the camera.
wide angle view. I don't even use these. I don't even use these anymore.
He doesn't even use these. They're just yeah, fuck it. I know the interior. You made a good choice. Did you order this? You ordered this on spec? Yeah, to this spec. Yeah, it's a good spec.
Trident black wheels.
With the Trident black wheels. Yeah, this is a great spec. And this comes with the because the performance package. It comes with the pilot tires, right? Not the all seasons.
Right.
Okay, that's pretty cool. You know, I've actually wanted one of these. I think the collector's one is going to be a base model, right? White with a black interior. I think.
Car that sold for $59,995. He's the only guy.
The only guy that he bought it for $59.99.
$60,000.
Wow, that's crazy. $60,000. That's just crazy.
This one was a little more. But
This is really nice, man. Yeah, bring it to the front. I'd love to check it out. I mean, what's your name, man?
Gary.
I'm Greg. Nice to meet you. Very nice to meet you, man. Yeah, park in the front. We'll just double park it. It's cool. people want to see this cool Corvette, you know? Zora Arca Duntov would be happy. Dude, there's so many Corvettes. We're gonna have this Corvette come here. There's a few over there, and we also have so many Camaros. There is literally so many Camaros. I'm actually sweating because it's literally like 95 degrees out here. But there's so many cool cars. Look at that cool Corvette. But we got this one right here. This is the Stingray. We're gonna have this be brought up to the front because that's just too cool. How you guys doing? What's up, man? That's carbon fiber, bro. It's lightweight. Look at that. That's actually really legit. That lightweight carbon. Okay, I'm back in the store, guys, with this Camaros and coffee. Look how much I'm sweating. It's crazy. It's like 95 degrees out here. It's like an oven. Checking all the cool cars. We got cool stuff going on in the store. I'm gonna grab a coffee, some water, and we'll check out some more stuff going on. Oh, okay, guys, it's Greg. That was a crazy meet. There was so many Camaros here. Look, there's still one right behind me. There's still a couple here. And my buddy's car right here. That 2020 Corvette was so crazy, guys. Wow. It's just so cool, the coolest cars you see. Even check this one out right behind me, this race car right here. And then check out this red one right here, right? I love red, man. Such a cool day, such a great day at the car show. I love having new cars come down to our showroom. If you guys ever want to come down to our Masterson's Car Care showroom, come down. This is the one in Anaheim, California. We got stores around the globe. But if you guys ever want to hang out with me, I'm always at this store right here. I'm gonna hang out in the air conditioning, guys. It's way, way, way hot. So I'm just gonna hang out in the store, grab some water, guys. It's a crazy summer. We'll see you guys next time. If you guys like this video, if you guys wanna see some more vlogs, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to click that subscribe button. Check out all the other videos we have right here on our channel. I'm Greg from Masterson's Car Care. We'll see you next time, and I'll leave you with it. Always remember, have fun, stay clean, and keep on detailing.